Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, and today we're going to be doing the Bachata side basic. Let's get started.
All right, we're doing leader's footwork first. So starting with my left foot going to the side. I'm going to take a side step with my left foot. My right foot will close to my left foot all the way. And my left foot will take another side step. That's 3 steps so far. And then my right foot's going to tap for right now, leaving space between both my feet. I'll go back the other direction, going side, close, side. Then my left foot's going to tap, keep my feet apart again. So the step positions again are side, together, side, tap, side, together, side, tap. The timing is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alrighty, now time for the follower's footwork for the side basic in Bachata. We're going to start with our right foot. We're going to go side, close right to left, step to the side, and then we tap. As you see, I'm doing a little hip lift. We'll talk about that in a technique video later on. Don't worry about it. We go side with the left, close the feet together, side with the left, and tap. Every time I tap, I go back in the opposite direction. You can close the feet together or tap to the side. As long as you're just tapping that foot, it's fine. And then I'm gonna go right, together, side, tap, left, together, side, tap with a timing. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, with counts, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, doing the key points for this Bachata side basic. So we're in a regular hold, whether it's more formal or more casual, totally up to you. We'll go side, together, side, tap, side, together, side, tap. It's a very easy basic. We can keep in one line the whole time. We don't have to rotate. We did suggest that you could tap closed or open. I would suggest to tap open so you don't accidentally close your feet, switch them, and then use the wrong foot. We'll go over this and the hip lift and all these different things in a technique video later on.
There's also different styles of ways you could tap. I'm sure if you've been to the clubs, you'll see. Some guys will do like a heel. Some girls will even do a kick or a point, something like that. Tapping here, here. Some people do some cool flicks, so we'll do a whole styling video for you if you're curious on that. So come back and check that out later. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. This is our introduction to the Bachata dance that you'll see in the clubs. We have so much more of this stuff coming for you, so be sure to come back and check out what's next. And if you want even more information, we have a section on our website called Ballroom Feed Pro, so go check it out. There's so much more for you, and it's never gonna end. And give this video a like and a comment down below what you wanna see next, because we wanna give it to you. And we'll see you very soon. Bye.